day, my name is Susamkele Nofekele and this is my Digital Citizenship Final POE. Digital citizenship is the quality of habits, actions, and consumption patterns that impact the ecology of digital content and communities. A digital citizen refers to a person utilizing information technology, which is referred to as IT, in order to engage in society, politics, and government. Digital citizenship is the norms of appropriate, responsible technology use. Digital citizenship is more than just a teaching tool. It is a way to prepare students or technology users for a society full of technology. There are 9 elements of digital citizenship, namely digital etiquette, digital access, digital law, digital communication, digital literacy, digital commerce, digital rights and responsibilities, digital safety and security, digital health and wellness. Digital access is the full electronic participation in society. It has to be understood that not everybody has the same opportunity when it comes to technology. Digital commerce is when you buy and sell products online. Digital communication is the electronic transmission of information through social platforms, be it WhatsApp, emails, or text messages. Digital literacy is the ability for an individual to find, evaluate, and produce clear information through writing and communication on various digital platforms. Digital etiquette are the basic rules that should be followed in order to make the internet better for others. Digital law is the electronic responsibility for actions, deeds which are either ethical or unethical. It deals with the ethics of technology. Digital rights and responsibilities is the right and freedom to use all types of digital technology in an acceptable and appropriate manner. Digital health and wellness is the physical and psychological well-being in a digital technology world. Digital security involves the tools that one can use to secure their identity, assets, and technology in an online mobile world, like your passwords and your fingerprints. In conclusion to this, digital citizenship is important because it outlines the learning skills to use the internet appropriately and responsibly, develops a foundation of social norms to provide digital learners with tools to understand how to act in positive ways on an online platform. These skills will help students communicate, collaborate, and conduct themselves appropriately in the online environment where we all spend an ever-increasing amount of time. As a result, students will be better equipped and prepared to greet the many opportunities as well as challenges that the connected life brings. Thank you for listening.